Brady here. Adam's fishing and he made a friend and we named him Bill. Hey Brady, get Bill a shrimp. Brady. Hi Bill. Hi Bill, you eating some shrimp? Hi Bill. There's bread, but you don't like it, do you? It's very pretty. Alright guys, bring your shrimp over. Mom's videoing, so grab a shrimp. By the ocean. Hey Brady, I got it videoing, grab one.